Hello, I'm Robin. This is my channel, Rottenlead, and it's all about miniature gaming, the hobby in general, shows, convention footage, and various other bits and pieces I've collected over the years and want to share with you. Just as background about myself, I have written a couple of games that have been published and are still available now on the Wargames Vault if you want to check them out. They are actually in print. This was my first wargame called Grunts 15mm. It's science fiction for 15mm scale models. The book itself has lots of detail, colour photos, artwork and various other things on how to game, and published in 2012. It's due an update now, but you will find various details on it in the channel amongst all my other bits and pieces. The second book that and the Wargames rules that I published was Imperial Skies, and this one published in 1919. So this one's a couple of years ago now, and again full of sort of nice artwork and gaming. And just to give you an overview of the models that go with that, I shall dart over to this quickly so you know what they are. Imperial Skies itself is an aerial wargame using small, lighter than air ships, and I shall dart over to that, and you'll get to see those up close. Sorry about the mess, but it's a messy, really useful box that I've got here, and I've got all my bits and pieces like here. That's a nice Zeppelin. That's a resin piece, but most of them are metal production. There's a German winged boat. I mount them on magnets. I've actually written the name of that one on the bottom. And yeah, there's fighter rules. I've got the fighters on a 3-prong base here, and that's mounted on the top of a miniature stand, and various other ships in there as well. So there's plenty of content on the channel about those, which you're welcome to have a dig for. The other miniatures for the Grunts game, I've got a stack in here. Well, this is a very nice pack actually. Battle Foam, pack 720. In fact, they do some very nice pluck your own foam, which allows you to sort of make the bases like this. So here you can go sort of examples of 15mm scale models, tanks. This one's from Ground Zero Games. That one there, that walker, was from Ralpatha, formerly Critical Mass Games. And then there's some smaller walkers in there as well. These are all items I've painted myself. And this is a Ground Zero Games model. So yeah, 15mm scale, smaller scale models, and that's what the Grunts game is written for. So yeah, I've also got, if I can just whip the lid off without crashing everything, an example there of the 15mm minis that are scaled to work with it. Sort of combination of aliens and troopers. So that's what Grunts is about, and the airships, so just to flip down again, that's the Grunts rulebook, and you can see there's unit builders, so you can sort of build your own based on the models. You can see I've detailed how you play. It's got pictures of terrain and layout on how the different shooting and assaulting and everything happens in there. So again, that was my first rulebook, and then I followed up with Imperial Skies later on. And yeah, again, I've used the same sort of technique to lay out the book. You've got stack cards and various things in there, and sort of how to play. Associated with Grunts are these activation cards. They're also available in Wargames Vault, and they allow you to sort of randomise the turn sequence, because each card has a different activation time or initiative score on it. And there are also some of the cards do special things, so you could assign them, because you randomly dish these out in the game, but you can then assign it to a particular unit that then, you know, there's an effect there called downhill So the unit that activated on this initiative would get a bonus to speed, and there's various other bonuses to shoot and other things in there as well. And that's the activation cards. Thanks for listening in. Please subscribe and check out the various videos. Thanks again. Goodbye.